Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Advanced JavaScript Programming course. In this course, we'll take you from a basic understanding of JavaScript to an advanced level, where you'll be able to create complex applications and solve intricate problems. BBSMIT will be your instructor for this course. In this course, we'll cover some of the most powerful and complex features of JavaScript. We'll start by looking at advanced techniques for manipulating the Document Object Model, DOM, which is the structure that makes up web pages. We'll cover topics such as traversing the DOM, modifying its content and styles, and responding to user events. Then we'll dive into asynchronous programming, which is a crucial concept for building modern web applications. We'll cover topics such as promises, async, and the event loop. We'll also look at how to work with APIs and JSON data, as well as how to build client-side applications with tools like React and Redux. And finally, we'll explore some advanced techniques for debugging and optimizing your code, including profiling, testing, and performance tuning. By the end of this course, you'll have a deep understanding of the most complex and powerful features of JavaScript. And you'll be able to build applications that are faster, more reliable, and more efficient than ever before. So, if you're ready to take your JavaScript skills to the next level, enroll now for our Advanced JavaScript course today. We can't wait to see what you'll create. Mail us bbsmit2g@gmail.com, call or WhatsApp +91 98287 49889. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more such as videos. See you in next time in class.